Ever struggled with images in Google Slides, moving around when you're trying to perfect your design? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock an image in Google Slides so it stays put and looks perfect every time. The most reliable way to lock an image is by using the background method. Simply select your image, right-click, and choose Set as Background. This makes the image a fixed part of your slide, which means you can't accidentally move it, resize it, or distort it while arranging other elements. It's perfect for maintaining a clean and professional look. If you want a little more flexibility, there's the grouping method. Place your image alongside the objects you want to move together, select all of them, right-click, and choose Group. Now, you can move everything as one unit without disturbing your image's placement. For cases where you just want to prevent distortion while resizing, Google Slides has a simple trick. Click on your image, go to Format Options, then Size and Rotation, and check Lock Aspect Ratio. This keeps your image's proportions intact even if you scale it up or down. By using these three methods, you can make sure your images stay exactly where you want them, keeping your slides neat, professional, and hassle-free. Now, you'll never have to worry about accidentally moving or distorting images again. Give these tips a try on your next presentation and watch your slides look more polished than ever.